I'm meteorologist Reynolds coming to you from Crosse, Wisconsin. Population roughly about 50,000 people, and right now populated with quite a few snowflakes that are moving through, which you at home can see moving right across the screen, compliments of that north wind and the cool conditions that we have. We actually started the morning off with temperatures that were into the low 40s, then it dropped like a stone. Now we've got it to the freezing point. You see the snow coming through. We're still running a big-time deficit in terms of that precipitation, and we're going to see that snow begin to fizzle out into the afternoon hours, but the wind should continue well tonight. And then over the next several days, and certainly by next week, we return to the 50s in terms of highs. Reporting from across Wisconsin, Reynolds Wolf, the Weather Channel.